Many agents are wondering if AI is something to fear or something to use. The truth is that AI is not replacing real estate agents. It is replacing outdated habits and slow workflows. The agents who adopt it early are gaining a real advantage because they are working faster, smarter, and more consistently. AI tools now help with marketing, lead follow-ups, content creation, listing descriptions, and organizing client conversations. These tools are not here to take your job. They help you do your job more efficiently, giving you more time for showings, negotiations, and meaningful client relationships. If you avoid AI, you will notice that everyone around you is moving faster. Your competition will respond quicker, post more consistently, and stay in front of clients while you are stuck doing everything manually. AI is not the enemy. The real threat is refusing to adapt. This is your chance to move forward instead of falling behind.